Let's learn how to play Go Fish. Go Fish is a classic kids card game which helps young children with number and pattern recognition. It also fosters social and emotional skills. This game can be played with 2 or more players. Before we get started, remove the Joker and Unicorn cards. Deal 5 cards to each player. If you have any action cards in your hand, go ahead and discard them. Remaining cards are placed in the center to form the draw pile. The goal is to make sets of 4 matching cards. If these are the cards in your hand, since you have 2 lions or 10s, try to make a matching set of lions. Ask one of the other players by their name, do you have any lions? If the other player being asked has any lions, they need to give you all their lions. If they do not have the requested card, they say go fish. This allows you to fish for a card from the draw pile. If the card you fish turns out to be an action card, perform the action and discard the card. Try to make as many matching sets of 4 cards as you can. Player with the most sets wins the game.